Hi dear Capricorn, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. And the third thing, this is a reading from 1st of November till the end of November, okay? And this is reading for singles, I think I told you, right? So let's start. So Capricorn or Cappy you can say. So Cappies, let's see what's happening. What was the past energy? What was your past energy? Let's see. There was 6 of Cups. So your past relationship, you were missing somebody very badly. You were in this, you were not able to come out of this past situation, or you were constantly living in the nostalgic phase of your life, or you were constantly having this, might be nightmares or might be dreams that you are with the same person and you guys are together, you guys are sweetly living with each other, and you know having a happy life in the recent past. So it's all about nostalgia. You were living in nostalgia in the past. You were living in the past. Okay, got it? Let me clarify the 6 of Cups. You were really missing somebody. You were really thinking about them constantly. Let me clarify. 3 of Pentacles and the 10 of Wands and the Lovers. Okay, so for some of you Capricorn, there's a third party situation that you were in. I feel like you were in a relationship with somebody, but you were not over from the past relationship, okay? You tried your best to come out of that situation, but that became a burden for you. That became a burden for you. The relationship, whomsoever you were connected with in the past, that became a burden for you, but you were not ready to release the energy because you were highly attracted to this new person. So what is happening here is that you were in a relationship with somebody, okay, and but with whomsoever you were in a relationship with, okay, you were not able to you were not able to release the past energy. Even if you were in a relationship with a new person, you were not able to release the past energy, or stop thinking about the past energy. You were still very much in love, or very much in your head about the past person, okay? That's why I see the 6 of Cups energy. Sometimes it is very difficult to explain what actually is happening. It's very complicated sometimes. Yeah, your current energy right now is Capricorn. Let's see. Your current energy right now is Eight of Cups, walking away. You are just walking away. You are just trying, or it is energetically that you are trying your best to walk away from something or someone that is no longer working for you, and you are feeling like this relationship is no longer working, and the situation, it could be anything. It could be a job or relationship or a place or something that is not working out for you, friendship, anything, and you're just trying to walk away from the situation, okay? You're trying your best to walk away from the situation because you feel like, no, this is not working out and I have to make my future bright, and I don't want to be in a situation, stuck in a situation. That's why you are just walking away. Okay, let me clarify the 8 of Cups in your current energy. Ace of Wands and the 9 of Wands and the 7 of Pentacles. So yeah, you are ready for a brand new beginning in your life. See, I told you, you're walking away from something or someone, or from a situation that was no longer working out for you, or that was no longer serving your purpose in your life. So that's why you're trying your best to walk away and restart a connection, or restart a new life, not a new connection, not a connection, I must say, but you are just ready to start your life with passion, and you will be like, I will just walk away and I will just make my life good, because you're very hurt, very hurt, and you were waiting for this walking away situation from a very long time. You were just waiting for the right time to walk away, okay? You are, mind you are, because this is current energy, so I feel like you're just waiting for the right time to walk away, because you're deeply hurt and you're feeling like, I have to live my life passionately, I have to make my life passionate, and that's why I have to walk away, because this thing is not working out for me. Okay, cool, got it, Capricorn. Let's see what is your energy for love right now, for a new love, or if somebody new is coming to you, or if you are still connected to the past energy. Let's see. Three of Wands. No, you are turning your back towards love right now. You're just waiting. You're just waiting for the right time. You are just feeling like I am going to wait for the past person. You're still so much connected to the past person, whomsoever you were connected with. You're still so much in the past and you are just waiting for the right time. You are feeling like I have done everything that I could. You have done everything that you could from your side, and you're just waiting for your ship to arrive. You're just waiting for the results, and the results are certainly going to be positive. Let me clarify the Three of Wands. I don't see a new person coming here, but you are waiting for the past person to come to you. This is the situation here. You are still so much connected to the past that you are just waiting for them to come back to you. Let me clarify. Four of Swords, and the King of Pentacles, and the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, you are meditating. You are applying the law of attraction techniques. You are trying to attract this person in your life because this is stable energy. You just want this person back in your life, and this time you want them to have a commitment with you, to have a committed relationship with you, to have stability and maturity with you, because you feel like that this is that the past person was your soulmate, and you feel like you are just going to wait for the right time or to reconnect with them, or you are just going to wait for the right time for them to come back to you, because I can see you meditating and taking a step back from everything and everyone and just healing and just needing a practical and mature and long-term committed connection with this particular person. So you better know with whom you were connected. You are still waiting for them. You are still waiting for them. Don't lie to yourself, don't lie to me, or don't lie to the partner whomsoever you were dealing with. You are still so much in love with this person in your head, and there's energy present here that you're still waiting for this person to come back to you, or you are waiting for the right time to go back to them. There's certainly waiting game. There's certainly waiting game happening here. Okay, let me see what is coming towards you till the end of November. High Priestess in reverse. Okay. There will be a blockage in your intuition. High Priestess in reverse or High Priestess in upright position doesn't make much difference. I feel like there will be a blockage in your intuition, and you will not be able to listen to your intuition. You will go against your intuition. I feel like that. Might be your intuition is telling you that this relationship is over, there's nothing left in this connection, and just leave the connection. But you're still stuck on the position, and you're still trying to convince your intuition that no, this is not over. Everything is going to be fine. Okay, everything is going to be good between you and them. So you're trying to fight your own intuition. You're trying to fight with yourself regarding this particular situation in your life. Okay, let me clarify the High Priestess as in reverse as a potential outcome for you. Two of Swords and the Three of Wands again, and the Three of Swords. My God, there's a third party situation. Damn, there's a third party situation in your relationship, in your energy, for sure. I'm telling you, for sure. Three of Wands, Three of Swords, Three of Wands. Okay, there was Three of Pentacles, and then the Lover's card. This is a very difficult situation that you are in right now, and the outcome is telling me that you will be on the crossroads. You will be on the crossroads, and you will keep on waiting, but I feel like this waiting is not going to yield the result that you want. This waiting is not going to make you happy, or this waiting is not going to give you the result that you want from them, or you want from the universe. And for some of you, I can clearly see that you are heartbroken because you still love the past person so much. You feel like I'm going to wait for the past person, although you are on the crossroads. See, you are not crystal clear about them. You are not crystal clear, and you are not sure what is going to happen in the coming future. But I can clearly see that you are on the crossroads, and that you are just waiting for them to come to you. You are completely heartbroken, and you are going against your intuition, against the wave. There is something that is very, very complicated, Capricorn. And I feel like you were in a relationship with somebody with whom you were not in love. You were just attracted to them. But with time, you got to know that the past person was your soulmate and the past person was your love, was your true love. So you miss them constantly. You miss their energy constantly. Okay, now I can see that you are breaking somebody's heart and somebody is breaking your heart. And you are also shattered, completely disappointed because of love and emotions and the person whomsoever you were dealing with in the recent past, okay, or this person whomsoever you left in the recent past, this person is also completely heartbroken and shattered because of the actions, or because of your actions, you can say. Capricorn, it is very difficult situation that you are in right now, but I see that you are still waiting for this particular person from the past, okay, that they will come back someday and we will have a relationship someday and we will have all the love of the universe and everything is going to be fine. Yeah, got it, got it. So please be patient, everything is going to be fine with time. Okay, thank you so much, God bless you. Namaste, Capricorn, see you.